Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ibilolademodi here, and guess what? It is Taco Tuesday. Yay! Who else is so excited about Taco Tuesdays? I love tacos so much, and I decided to share my recipe with you guys. And you know what? Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So I'll be using some cilantro, I'll be using a whole bunch of peppers. Mind you, all of this, the quantity that I used would be in the description box below. For this recipe, I had to chop a bunch of peppers, and I actually had an assistant help me in the kitchen today. My sister loves chopping peppers, and she basically helped me do a whole lot of work chopping the peppers and so yeah, she's the one chopping the peppers. Like I said, everything will be in the description box below. I used one of each. I don't like too much peppers or veggies in my tacos. I just like a sizable amount. Just for every bite I want veggies, not too much. So I used one of each. And yeah, as you can see, chopping up my peppers. I'm also going to chop the green peppers and yeah, the tomatoes. Just enjoy as we chop our veggies. That's basically what I'm doing. So as you can see here guys, I'm removing the seeds from my tomatoes. You're going to see me make guacamole in this video as well. I love having homemade fresh guacamole with my tacos, and I always remove the seed because I don't like my guacamole to be watery. So that's one of the reasons why I take out the seeds, take out the excess water, liquid, and everything from the tomatoes, just so I don't have excess or watery guacamole. So you want to do that just in case you want to make guacamole. And I'm going to leave a link here if you haven't seen my guacamole, how I make my homemade guacamole video. The link would be up right there. You can click on the link if you haven't seen it, and yeah, make yourself some yummy homemade guacamole. So as you can see here, I'm just showing you all of my chopped veggies. I use this brand of taco shells because I just wanted to try something different. I'm used to the old one, the regular one. As you can see here guys, I'm just showing you my veggies, my red peppers, green peppers, tomatoes, orange peppers, and cilantro finely chopped. You want to make sure your veggies are finely chopped. And yeah, all thanks to my sister. She did a good job chopping the veggies for me. So yeah. So in a pan, you want to add some oil. Just a full spoon of oil is okay. You don't want too much oil. I'm going to add my onions and just let it simmer or saute for about a few minutes. It's not going to be golden brown, nothing like that, just for a few minutes. And then I added my shrimp. I love using, regular shrimp, not the jumbo shrimp, feel free to use whatever you want. This is what I wanted. But yeah, just stir for a while and then add your seasoning. I'm going to put it in the description box. Like I said again, all of the amount of seasonings that I used. And yeah, enjoy this video, guys. So after sauteing your shrimp with the onions and peppers and the seasoning for about 3 minutes, you just want to take your shrimp out of the pan, and yeah, you're frying on medium heat, not high heat. So just take it out. I always love to saute my shrimp before my veggies. I feel like it just gives the shrimp its own, intense flavor rather than just frying everything together. And as you can see here, I'm just sauteing my veggies. I'm going to pour my red peppers and my green peppers and my orange peppers. Guys, at this point I was falling in love with this pan. It was looking so beautiful. I love sauteing peppers. It just gives this vibrant look and this, happy vibe. I feel like, when I have kids, they would have lots and lots of veggies because the colors, it's just very enticing, and to think that it's so healthy as well. So yeah, let's just get back right into the cooking. I put my spring onions. I also added my cilantro. I made sure that I didn't saute this for too long, probably like a minute or two. You want the veggies to still be crunchy, not all the way cooked, but you just want that seasoning all around the veggies. And I added some oregano. You're going to see me add some oregano in a few. And yeah, you just want to stir everything together and make sure that everything is properly distributed and everything is has all of the spices around it. So guys, I'm adding my shrimp after like a minute of sauteing, and then you just mix everything together, and that's pretty much it. Leave it for another minute and your shrimp is ready. Absolutely delicious, so tasty, so healthy, properly infused with so much flavor. I love tacos. I can't overemphasize that. The fact that it's healthy, and it's also so delicious. It's just so good. So yeah guys, my taco is ready to put in the shell. And yeah, that was pretty much all I did. This literally took me about 10 minutes. It's so easy, and the good thing is I realized for this you can even eat it with whatever you want, with yams, with rice, whatever you want. Trust me, I kept some for another dish. But yeah, my taco is ready, and yeah guys, it was so delicious. I had this taco with some guacamole, with some extra tomatoes. I also I love to have my tacos with lettuce, and I always rub some mayo around it just to give it that crunch because I love mayo. So So yeah guys, this was such an amazing recipe to film. It was absolutely delicious. It tasted so nice. And yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. Yeah, subscribe to my channel. It's completely free, and if you haven't subscribed, I am honestly judging you. I am. Yes guys, subscribe. It's free. Like, share. Yeah, let me know how you make your tacos. I also have a recipe. It's gonna come up right now, and it's a beef taco recipe. If you haven't seen it, check it out. And yeah guys, enjoy your week, enjoy your weekend, and stay blessed. Bye bye.